Today we are going to show you how to install Muzata Invisible Cable Railing Kit. The greatest feature is it could be hidden inside the post and make the railing pretty. And it works for both wood and metal post. Here are the tools we need for installation. You can search Muzata and part number to find them, such as Muzata CA09. Firstly, you need a Muzata hydraulic crimper, which is designed for swagging stainless fittings. It comes with a pair of dies made of hardened alloy steel. For your information, most hydraulic crimpers on market are designed for copper and aluminum. The body and dies might break if you use them for stainless steel. And you also need a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. And some stainless steel cable, which is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. We also have many types of cable with different length, including T316 marine grade, galvanized steel, vinyl coated steel. You can find them in Muzata one-stop shop. Firstly, we need to divide the height of post into equal length for each run and mark with a pencil. Then install the small end first, since it is impossible to swage it if we leave it to the last step. Drill a through hole with a 6mm drill bit. Put cable into small end and swage it with Muzata hydraulic crimper. Install the small end through the post. Put on a protector sleeve to protect the post and make the hole pretty. Next step, install the big end. Firstly, drill through with 6mm bit, then drill from outside for 55mm depth. A key point is you need to drill along the 6mm hole to make sure the two holes are concentric. Extend the turnbuckle before measuring the cable length, so there will be some extra room for tensioning cable at the last step. Measure the length, mark, and cut. Put the wire rope into swage end and crimp it with a hydraulic crimper. Install the two parts of turnbuckle by jointing them inside the post. The last step, tense the wire rope by rotating turnbuckle with the Allen drive attached in the package. And it is done. It is easy to do it all by yourself without being a pro. We have various styles of cable railing kits on Muzata one-stop shop. Click to visit and buy everything in a minute. You can find more installation videos in Muzata one-stop shop. Just click by Muzata below the title to enter. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.